Wildlife electrocutions on utility poles and wires is problematic from a number of standpoints. It can have a significant negative impact on endangered species and other wildlife. It can also cause power outages for consumers and damage utility assets, affecting reliability. One time-tested solution are the wildlife protection covers offered by Balmoral Engineering. Field-tested and utilized by utilities globally for decades, these robust units are a proven entity built to survive the harsh outdoor environment. Complete reports available outlining a battery of testing performed. Manufactured in an ISO 9001 and 14001 facility to the highest quality standards. Simple to install and flexible enough to cover a range of insulator sizes, this presents a straightforward solution to mitigate against unwanted contact between phases or phase to earth and wildlife. Whether it be large birds of prey such as eagles or raptors, or other small climbing animals such as squirrels or possums, these covers reduce the incidence or potential for wildlife injury or death while reducing power outages and costly asset damage. Please browse our website balmoralengineering.com for datasheets and catalogue pages and find your nearest stockist.